Hi, Christy here with Chad, our energy efficiency advisor. Today we're going to be discussing different sealants you can use around your doors and windows. So Chad, why is it important to make sure our doors and windows are properly sealed?
Yes, we want to make sure when our doors and windows are not properly sealed, outside air gets into our home, be it hot air in the summer or cold air in the winter. And that causes our HVAC system to run more, costing us more money. We underestimate how much air can be let in through a small gap in our windows and doors.
So Chad has brought some products that are great for filling gaps around windows and doors. So Chad, would you like to explain these products for us?
Absolutely. This is a fun product. This is a fun topic for me because this is what I do on the weekends and do a lot of work with these sealants. But Master Sealant is a great way to start. It's a product that you want to get offline. It's hard to find in the stores, but you'll love it once you start using it. I don't know if you'll ever want to go back to anything else. So Master Seal is one of them.
And which one of these on the board is it?
This one right here on the far, my right, your left. Quad Max is one you can get the Home Depot store. Very, very durable, just not as user friendly, but a still great product, paintable and around windows and doors. Good product. This is a Big Stretch. This is the third one here. Big Stretch is a product that ultra user friendly. Most contractors will utilize this one because it's very durable, but then it has that working ability to apply on your home and still have time to work it into spots and get it cleaned up and ready for paint. But the air seal is excellent. It stays pliable. Just an all-around excellent product. One product that you don't want on the outside of your home is the DAP latex product. Okay, so it's strictly just for inside the house, nothing on the outside you'd want to use this product for. But this is something, because it's cheap, people have a tendency of gravitating towards it. But stay away from this for the outside, strictly on the inside.
And then I see we have some spray foam products.
Yes, okay, so this is for big gaps. If you're gonna go around windows and doors, stay away from the big gap one. That's just strictly for some craziness that's going on inside your house that it's going to expand and you don't want it to ruin nothing because of that. So very important to be very cautious on the big gap one. Go to the ones that says windows and doors. It's going to only expand very minimal. It's not going to hurt nothing structurally. But both of these are closed cell, meaning that they're not going to absorb any water. So they're very user friendly, and they won't. So say if it had any risk of outside water, then it won't absorb it and create a sponge-like and trap water into your home. So it's a great product, but be very careful with it though. It can move things if you use the wrong one, the expansion one. This is Baccarat, very user friendly. It doesn't have any stickiness to it. It's basically the same thing as our spray foam. It's just user friendly, and you're not going to make a mess with it, but still very effective, and you can get it to go in just about any spot you need to seal up and do a wonderful job. Again, it's non-porous, so it's not going to absorb any kind of water and create a sponge. It's just going to repel all that, and that's a great all-around product, and priced right also, most importantly.
So because it won't absorb, you can use this inside and outside?
That is correct, yeah.
So thank you, Chad, for showing us these products. This is a good time right now to make sure your doors and windows are sealed before winter. And if you have any energy efficiency questions, reach out to Chad. Thank you.